I wanted to become a coach after being in education for 25 years because I recognize how important it is for the entire family structure to have extra added support. And so, stepping away from education and into the coaching field, I feel like I have the opportunity to really help those families. The entire coaching program has actually been really amazing. Prior to taking this specific coaching course, I actually did another coaching course. And when I finished with that coaching course, I didn't really feel like I was prepared to step out into this field and to really have the opportunity to encourage families the way that I do after this one. So, every module and lesson that we learned, I felt was extremely pertinent to the people that we are coming in contact with every day. And I really enjoyed the experience of going through all of the modules and coming to the live coaching experience as well. Through this experience, I feel like I really gained a lot of confidence in myself. I realized my purpose for reaching out into the coaching world, and I've gained a new understanding, not just of who I am, but of others that I want to be able to reach into their lives and be able to help them. There are a lot of families that are in need and in desperate need of coaching and somebody to come alongside them and help them through the process of being able to either reunify with their child or to be able to communicate better with their children, or if it's a couple that's separating or going through a divorce, to be able to communicate with their partner. And the need for that in today's society is so big. So, my biggest takeaway is that we really need to step up and step into the realm of helping these families and these parents for our future generations. I would recommend this specific coach training program because it really establishes who you are as a person, who you are in the realm of coaching, and it will give you the opportunity to really explore that a lot deeper to figure out your why and your purpose for serving this community, and then give you the skills and the training that you need to actually step out and be confident in what you're doing. And if you're even considering doing coaching in this realm, this is the perfect course because it really will give you an in depth understanding of yourself, the community that you want to reach, and the entire process of coaching.